Hello viewers, we have been discussing previous year question papers for UGC NET paper 1 examination. In that endeavor, we have already discussed more than 15 years question paper. Today I have taken one more question paper to discuss. Now without any delay, let's try to discuss it. One more thing, do not treat the answer which I will give you as an absolute truth. There is always a room for wrong to be error. Therefore, it is your duty to do your own research and you must do cross verification. The number one question that we have got is, when a reviewer reviews a research article without knowing the author's name, it is referred to as what? Anonymous review, behind the curtain review, uncategorized review, blind review. So it will be called blind review. The subsequent question is, which among the following best describes emotional intelligence as a learner characteristic? Recognize their own and other people's emotions, expressing their emotions strongly, use emotional information to guide thinking and behavior, good observation, scientific thinking, and deductive reasoning, adjusting emotions to adapt to environments, being creative and open to diverse viewpoints. These are the options for you: A, D, F, A, C, E, C, E, F, B, D, E. Correct answer will be A, then C, then E. A, C, E. A, C, E. Moving on to number 3 question, it says, in teaching learning contexts, results of an evaluation are useful to teachers in various ways. Which among the following is most important use for a teacher? A, to decide placement of students in other institutions. B, planning instruction and knowing the effectiveness of the teaching strategies used by them. To identify home influence on students, getting information about students' study interests. So number B will be correct. Planning instruction and knowing the effectiveness of the teaching strategies used by them. Number 4. Which among the following can best be used as an asynchronous teaching aid? Skype, blog, Facebook post, online chat, email, Google Hangout. These are the options: A, C, E, B, E, C, E, F, A, B, C, A, C, F. It will be B, C, E. Next is, the goal of formative assessment is to what? Promote students to next level, monitor student learning to provide ongoing feedback, compare student learning against a standard or benchmark, form a group of students on the basis of their learning. It will be number B, monitor student learning to provide ongoing feedback. Number 6, in a school in which there are large number of failures, you may like to develop tests for elimination those who are likely to have substantial difficulties in meeting the academic goals of teaching. For this, you need to develop tests which should be able to predict the individual's ability or readiness to undertake the study of a school subject successfully. What is the name of such test? Achievement test, attitude test, prognostic test, analytical test. It will be number C, prognostic test. Number 8, 7. Poster sessions in research conferences provide better opportunities for what? Focus group discussions, display of common interests, interpersonal interactions, formal speeches. It will be number C, interpersonal interactions. Number 8. The characteristics of scientific method of research are what? Empiricism, objectivity, systematic, secretive, security related, predictive. So it will be objectivity. No, no. A, B, C, F. 4 will be correct. There are options. A, B, C, F. So A was empiricism. A, B, C, F. Empiricism, objectivity, systematic and predictive. Number 9. In a research setting, participants may act differently because they think they are getting special attention. This reaction of treatment group to the special attention rather than the treatment itself is called what? Jung effect, Marlov effect, attention deficit, Hawthorne effect. It will be number D, Hawthorne effect. Number 10. The kind of numbers which do not represent amounts but instead represent kind, different qualities, type or categories are called as what? Absolute, prime, nominal, ordinal. It will be number C, nominal. Number 11 is a comprehension question. I will not do it because these questions are effortlessly doable. You just need to have focus, patience and attention, that's all. So it will keep on changing in imminent future too. So if you want to do it, then do it by yourself. Let me go on to other questions. A comprehension question is from 11 to 15, then we will do it from number 16. 16 says, in which of the following instances deductive argument is invalid? When its premises are true but conclusion is false, when its premises and conclusions are all true, when its premises are false and conclusions is true, when its premises and conclusions are all false. It will be number A, when its premises are true but conclusion is false. Number 17, Ram said to Syam, that girl playing with the doll is the younger of the two daughters of my father's wife. How is the girl playing with the doll is related to Ram? Cousin, auntie, sister-in-law and sister. Number 17, it will be number D, sister. Number 18 says, in verbal communication, words act as what? Symbols, fillers, decorative, and D, passive barriers. It will be number A, that means symbols. In verbal communication, words acts as symbols. 19 says, given below are two premises with 4 conclusions drawn from them, taking singly or together. Which of the following conclusions could be validly drawn from the premises? All cats are animals, birds are not cats. These are the premises. Conclusions are, birds are not animals, cats are not birds, all animals are cats, some animals are cats. So these are the options A, B, D, B, C, D, B, D, A, C. Number 19, it will be number C, that means B and D will only be correct. Rest are wrong. Next, the next term in the letter series dy, j, x, o, w, s, v, v, u is what? W, v, x, t, y, t, x, s. X, t will be correct, that means number B. Number 21. The next number in the series 12, 15, 21, 33, 57 dash is what? 105, 97, 95, 107. It will be 105. Try to do it by yourself. Number 22. Among the following statements, two are contradictory to each other. All men are humans, some men are humans, some men are not humans, no men are humans. Select the code that represents them, AB, SC, BC, AD. Number 22, it will be number B, that means A and C will be correct. Number 23, it says the challenging behaviors of students as related to communication are what? Purposive challenges, critical challenges, procedural challenges, evaluation challenges, practicality challenges, power challenges. Options are like this: D, E, F, A, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, B, C, D, F. Number 23, it will be number B, C, D, and E, F. Next, 24. Modern educational communication is described as what? Non-distributive, unapproximate, Teleologic, telescopic. It will be number C, teleologic. 25. If FACE phase is coded as HCEG, then the code of high HIGS will be what? BEFB KHIK JKIG ZXYZ. It will be number C, JKIJ. Number 26 says inductive argument proceeds from what? Options are like this: universals to particulars, particulars to particulars, particulars to universals, universals to universals. Number 26, it will be number C, that means particulars to universals. 27 says classroom communication has a basis in what? Audience fragmentation, non-informative cues, intensive listener focus, attention diversion. It will be intensive listener focus. 28. Effective classroom communication would help students internalize what? Knowledge, subject matter, articulation, language felicity, non-responsiveness, modalities of resistance. ADEF, CDEF, ABCD, BCDE. It will be number C, that means ABCD. 4 will be correct in sequence. Number 29 says which of these words is different from the rest? Huge, tall, sharp, thin. From the common sense itself you can do it. It will be number C, sharp. Sharp is not related to the other words. Huge, tall, thin, these all are related to someone's shape. Number 30. The reasoning which would be helpful in seeking new knowledge of facts about the world is what? Inductive, demonstrative, deductive, speculative. 30. It will be number A, that means inductive. Okay, then we have got some questions related to data interpretation, if I'm not wrong. So it says data for question 30 to 35 given below. Study the table given below carefully. It shows the number of students appeared, passed and failed in 5 subjects. The full marks in each subjects are also given. Some of the cells have missing data. You might need to determine some of the missing data to answer the questions below. Subjects are like this: English, mathematics, science, social studies, computer. Total number of students appeared 600, 300, 360. Number of students who had passed 240, 216, 168. Number of students who failed 36, 60, 48, 32. Maximum / full marks in the subject 600, 400, 400, 400. Now 31. Which of the following could be the full marks in mathematics if the pass mark in mathematics was 35% and the person who just passed scored 70? 500, 600, 400, 200. So it will be number D, that means 200 will be correct. Next is 32. It says what is the approximate difference in percentage between the pass percentage in social studies and the pass percentage in mathematics? 26.5%, 16.5%, 6.5%, 2.5%. So it will be 6.5%, that is number C. 33 says what is the maximum marks that a student can score in all the 5 subjects together? You may use the answer of the previous questions. Options are like this: 2000, 1500, 1500. So it will be number A, that means 2000. 34 says in which subject was the failure percentage the least? English, mathematics, science, social studies. It will be number A, English. 35. What is the difference between the number of failed students in science and the number of passed in social studies? 312, 238, 218, 228. 35. Number D will be correct, that means 228. Number 36 says an earthquake is rated as measure ID, its magnitude in Richter scale is in the range of what? Options are like this: 6.0 to 6.9, 4.0 to 4.9, 7.0 to 7.9, 5.0 to 5.9. 36, it will be number C, 7.0 to 7.9. 37 says assertion A is saying climate change is going to increase social tension in India. Reason R is saying the frequency and intensity of the extreme weather events will have serious consequences for food security. Options are like this. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A is false, but R is true. A is true, but R is false. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 37, number D, correct answer will be both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion. 38 says which among the following industries consumes maximum water in India? Thermal power plants, engineering, paper and pulp textiles. 38, it will be number A, that means thermal power plants. 39 says a terabyte is equal to what? 1024 megabytes, 1024 gigabytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 into 1024 kilobytes. 39, it will be number B, 1024 gigabytes. 40 says e-Pathshala is an initiative taken by whom? UGC, NCTE, CBSE, NCERT. 40, it will be number D, NCERT. 41 says the binary equivalent is in the bracket minus 23, and then after the bracket 10, then is 2 in the half bracket, and then comma above 2. Complement system for negative number is used. Options will be what? So these are the options for, so number B will be correct. 1101, 0001. 42 says university and university level institutions are categorized into what? Central universities, state universities, private universities, deemed to be universities, institution of higher learning, civil sector institutions. So these are the options. Let me not go it in detail. 42, it will be number C. A, B, C, D, 4 will be correct in sequence. 43 says the Council of Rural Institutes Authority is situated at what? Ludhiana, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Pune. It will be number C, Hyderabad. Number 44 says in 1948, under whose chairmanship University Education Commission was set up to reconstruct university education in India? Dr. Bikram Sarabhai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Professor P.C. Joshi. So it will be number C, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. 45 says DNS stands for what? Distributed name system, dynamic name system, domain name system, domain name standard. 45, it will be number C, that means domain name system. 46 says the biggest hindrance in using biomass as a major energy source is what? Air pollution due to combustion, technology not well developed for commercialization, large amount of land required to grow energy crops, energy yield of low level. 46, it will be number A, air pollution due to combustion. 47 says the first open university established in India is what? Tamil Nadu Open University, Chennai. Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, Nasik. Bhimrao Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad. Nalanda Open University, Patna. 47, it will be number C, that means Bhimrao Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad. 48 says plants suitable for biomonitoring of sulfur dioxide pollution are what? White pine, moss and lichens, tobacco, grapes and garden bean, apricot, peach and gladiolus, tomato and lettuce. 48, it will number A, white pine, moss and lichens. 49 says which of the given statement are true? Modern is networking device, modern as a voltage stabilizer, modem. Modem is a networking device, modem is a voltage stabilizer, modem converts analog signal to digital signal and vice versa. BC, AC, AB, ABC. So it will be number B. A and C will be correct and the rest are wrong. Last question. It says full form of PDF is what? We often use it. PDF, portable document form, portable data form, portable data format, portable document format. It will be portable document format PDF. That's all. I hope it will benefit you in your preparation.